cicada nymph! Oh my gosh! I found one! It's not a skin. It's alive.
It's a nymph.
Sure?
Yes.
It's a
That's
nymph.
not a skin. I saw it move. It probably feels like it's being watched. It's a nymph.
It looks like a skin to me.
It's not
No,
a skin.
there's no. Do you see any hole?
Yeah, do you see a hole? Cameron, stop moving the flashlight.
Yeah, you can tell it hasn't come out yet. Don't you see like the green there on the side?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
It's probably in the process, huh?
I thought you meant a
Yeah.
cicada out of its skin when you said.
Well, I'll be damned. Finally, huh?
Yeah.
I want to pick it up.
No.
Just gotta let it be.
Pick it up.
You should sit here and wait till it comes out.
Yeah. Should we do that?
Wait, we could set up a camera here.
I'm gonna wait out here. Cameron, do you want to wait with me? All right, I'm gonna make a video on this when it starts coming out of its shell.